Hi there and welcome back. In the last video I showed you how to add credits to your Gigastore platform, and in this video we'll go more into details about how to set up inventory. The inventory defines what type of the packages you will be offering in your shop. The packages that you have in your inventory are available to your customers. Okay, let's get started. First of all, log into your account and navigate to Store Inventory section. Here you can see all the packages that you currently have. To add or remove the package, click on the Add Remove Package button. Here you can see all the packages that Gigastore can offer. It's worldwide packages, regional packages, and the single country packages. You can filter them by country, country set, or validity. To add or remove the package, you need to click on a plus to add, or on a check mark to remove the package. Let's choose, for example, Euro package 3 GB and add to inventory. And I would like to add 1 GB 7-day worldwide package. After you're satisfied with your choices, click on Apply Changes and confirm. So, you added a couple of packages to your inventory. It means that they are available for your customers now. Additionally, you can change the retail prices here. To do so, just click on the Edit, set up desirable price, click Save. You can also retrieve retail price using Gigastore API endpoint to keep everything synced with your front end. Okay, we set up inventory. Now let's try to sell a package together. I will show you how to sell the package, and you can repeat the steps on your own, download eSIM and try it in real life. Navigate to Sale Channels, Point of Sales, and click on Visit Store. Register a new customer. Okay, add the customer. And here you can see all packages that you have in your inventory. Now you can choose the package. Please make sure to collect the payment from your customer first, as we do not process the payments between you and your customers. And now you can confirm the payment. Sell now. Okay. Now you can access the activation link. Here you will see the balance, when the package was sold, remaining data, and the status. Click Install, and you can see the QR code, so you can scan it, download it eSIM, and try it out in real life. After you installed it, you should be able to connect to the internet using the DENT eSIM on your device. If you're interested in integrating an API or SDK, please contact our sales team to receive a free data packages for testing. And this is it. Now you know how to set up inventory, how to change it, how to access it, and how to sell the package. If you have any question or require support, book a call with us. We're more than happy to help. Thanks for watching. See you next time.